Step 1, drain down. Next step is take the flue out. Step 2, take it off the fucking wall. Perhaps that'll go, Jim. Okay. That hole is supposed to be down there. It's wasted bare time. Yeah, man tried to put that on the wall, yeah, about 6 times. Just no cardio. Big difference when on there first time. Okay, so that was what, part 4. Second is to let the water out of these. And then just a case of piping these, connecting these things up. Oof. Yeah, these are the pipes that come with it. You get your washers, throw them in. Connect to the bottom of the boiler. And then that needs to get connected to that somehow. We'll mess with that in a minute. So yeah, the solder's ran around. It should have ran around the other side. I haven't got my grips to pick it up, guys. It's mad hot. Is that okay? Cool. There you go, boiler's gone before I've gone. Okay, this is the part where you fill up and hope there's no leaks. Then you have dumb stuff like this here. That's too big to go through the hole, so I'm just wasting bloody 10 minutes trying to make that happen. But then you remember you're a gas man and you're not dumb.